So, did you know that India's frozen vegetarian food market is booming? What's driving this growth and what challenges lie ahead? Let's dive in. Hi, I am Satish Saundatti. So, with fast-paced lifestyle, rising health awareness, and better supply chain, frozen vegetarian food is becoming the go-to choice for millions. In this video, we'll explore key trends, challenges, and what to expect in year 2025. So, did you know that 45% of consumers are increasing their consumption of frozen vegetarian food? North India is leading the trend at 51%. The total frozen food market, veg plus non-veg, is projected to grow from current $186.84 billion in 2024 to $572 billion in 2033, with an annual compound growth of 13.2%. So, assuming 20% of total comes from vegetarian products, the market for frozen vegetarian food is set for massive growth. So, leading brands in the frozen vegetarian space are Amul, a leader in vegetarian frozen snacks; McCain Foods, famous for potato-based snacks; Mother Dairy, specialized in frozen vegetables under the brand Shuffle; ready-to-eat vegetarian meals and snacks; MTR Food, experts in ready-to-cook South Indian meals; Haldiram is famous for North Indian snacks and meals; ISKCON Balaji Foods focuses on frozen potato products; the Vadilal, Tata Q, Bikaji, Kids, Hyphen Foods, and Sumeru, offering a range of parathas, curries, and variety of frozen snacks. So at VegCrop, we are committed to delivering nutritious, high-quality frozen food solutions that meet evolving consumer needs. We proudly introduce the Veg Natural range of frozen vegetables, pesticide residue-free, sustainably grown, and packed with freshness. Additionally, our Paratha Express range of healthy parathas offers preservative-free, authentic, regional flavors, making healthy, eat easy and delicious. Gen Z and young adults want nutrient-rich frozen foods that support gut health, immunity, and wellness. Brands are innovating to meet this demand. With a hectic schedule, frozen foods save time. Metro city consumers beyond now prefer easy, ready-to-cook options. So better cold storage facilities are improving frozen food quality, shelf life, and availability, making it a reliable choice across India. Frozen food is no longer limited to metro cities. Today, 20% of sales come from Tier 2 cities, showing growing demand in smaller markets. So many Indian consumers still believe fresh food is healthier than frozen, despite advanced freezing techniques that retain nutrients. Educating them is a crucial factor. So maintaining cold chain efficiency across India's vast geography is a challenge. The power outrage and tropical climate make proper frozen food storage difficult. So Indian households still rely on fresh produce. Brands need to highlight taste, convenience, and health benefits to convert fresh food buyers into frozen food consumers. So more brands are entering the frozen food space, making competition fierce. Success will depend on strong branding, innovation, and affordability. So despite challenges, India's frozen vegetarian food market is on the rise. The brands that focuses on healthier, innovative, and convenient solutions will win big in year 2025 and beyond. At VegCrop, we are committed to delivering nutritious, high-quality frozen food solutions that meet evolving consumer needs. Subscribe for more food industry insights, like and share if you found this useful. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video.